Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to update Meesho application. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Meesho application, which of course I've done right here. Now, the next one is how can you download the Meesho app? You can download Meesho on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. Launch any of these applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Meesho and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing, it's going to take you right into the Meesho sign-up page. We're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on Meesho. So now that let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to update the Meesho app. If you want to update your Meesho application, then you need to open the store that you downloaded it from. Now, this is Play Store because I'm using an Android phone. So from this Play Store, if you're using an iPhone, please use Apple Store. So head over to the search bar and type Meesho. Once you type Meesho, Meesho is going to be up. So here where you have Meesho, just click on it. Now, if there's an update option, or if there's an update option, there's an update information, or there's something new and you need to update, there's an update feature. Right here where you have these tabs that states uninstall and open, instead of open, you're going to see update. So instead of open, it's going to be labeled update. So go ahead and click on the update button, and once you click on the update button, you're going to have to wait a couple of seconds depending on the connection of your internet. Then after waiting out a couple of seconds, it's going to be updated, and it's going to, after updating, it's going to change to open. Now you can now click on open and open the application with its new features displayed. That's pretty much how you can update the Meesho application. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.